Hey guys, did you know that having a membership with LiveGood allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with LiveGood, click on the link in the description and take the LiveGood tour. Hey guys, really quick, I have to show you this. I wasn't even prepared to make a video about it, but it was so awesome and I already did it, but I want to show you what I put together that might be one of the best shakes combination ever. So you guys know from my other video, I love the Kachava chocolate. Not too excited about the vanilla, but the chocolate is crazy, right? So I was like, okay, Kachava already has 25 grams of protein and a whole bunch of other awesome stuff. I don't know if you guys can see that, right? So, but I was like, I want to add some more protein, right? And you guys know that I have been talking about LiveGood plant-based protein, the vanilla. And so I was like, well, let me go ahead and add a scoop of this in there. Of course, I got to add my fruit. I wasn't really feeling blueberry-ish today because I'm going to put it in my oatmeal later. So I got some, let's see, the frozen strawberries from Walmart. Just grabbed some of those. My Hamilton Beach, I already made the shake, so I'm going to talk about that in a minute. But my little Hamilton Beach personal blender. So that's what I used for that. I wasn't trying to use the Ninja today, so I just wanted to grab this really quick, right? So anyways, I did that. Put 2 scoops of my chocolate Kachava, 1 scoop of my LiveGood vanilla, handful of strawberries, mixed it up in the Hamilton Beach personal blender, and oh my goodness, it was so good. It almost had like a chocolate covered strawberry type thing going on with it, oh man, oh my gosh. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you guys. It was amazing. Kachava. Add some LiveGood for some more protein, some strawberries in there. Now back to LiveGood. If you want more information about the LiveGood opportunity, the LiveGood membership, what it's about. So I'll definitely put a link in the description for you to watch the quick video about what LiveGood is all about. I have not been disappointed yet. So yeah, definitely just check it out for yourself. And I'll talk to you guys next time. But I had to spur the moment. I was like, let me show them what I did with this just to boost my Kachava protein. All right, guys, that's all I got. Bye.